Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by placing the image in a permanent folder so the link won't break. This is important. Next, insert the picture into Excel using Insert Pictures or drag it in so you can visually position it. Once done, make sure the cell you want to represent is clearly identified because you'll link the picture to that cell. Don't spend time on cosmetic tweaks yet. The goal here is a reliable image and a clear target cell for the link. Now you'll create the actual linked picture, so changes update automatically. First, select the cell or range to reflect and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then go to Home, Paste Special and choose Linked Picture, or add the camera tool to the Quick Access toolbar and click to paste a live image. This produces an object tied to the original cells. If you edit the source, the linked picture updates. Make sure to position and resize the linked object. Finish by formatting and anchoring the linked picture. Use Format Picture properties to choose Move and Size with cells, or don't move or size depending on needs. If the linked image stops updating, check that the source workbook or image file path hasn't changed. Broken paths are the usual culprit. Once done, consider using named ranges for the source so links survive row or column changes. If problems persist, reopen both files or recreate the linked picture to restore the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.